Check out this 2005 Toyota Tacoma. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are passenger airbag, front disc rear drum brakes, child safety locks, power door locks, rear bench seat, AC, engine immobilizer, 4-wheel drive, and adjustable steering wheel. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.